Very nice, Madison. Let me see your 7 seconds, Pepperelli. There you go. Tap her on the butt. Oh, there you go. Good. Oh, hello, Rebel's butt.
Sorry.
Good job, Madison. I like it. Yes, I like it. I think that does count for sideways.
Okay.
Now, Jordan, you go visit Aaron, get the check, and shut the gate, please. See, I'd practice my stop every corner until she was looking for it. That's all right, though. You're doing good. Don't forget to smile. Nice. Yep. Very nice. You know what's cool on the video is you can't really see the neck string, but you can tell you're not pulling on the reins. Good. Yep, cool. Okay, so you got your 3 obstacles out of the way. You can still do the tarp if you want, but you don't have to. The only thing left is your figure 8, your jump, and your canter stop. Good. Whoa. All right, let's see it. Good. All right, good call. Yep. That's all right. It was a very nice canter trot stop. Take it. Give her a hug or a rub and then even up your reins.
Should I use my reins for the figure 8?
You might want to, and you might want to use them for the canter stop.
Okay, so should I try it again?
Yep. You've only got 4 minutes in, Madison. You still got 6 minutes.
Okay.
It looks really good. She says, I'm not cantering. It's interesting. Let her have more rein. Because she does it nice when you're not. Yes, good. Yep. That's all right. The pattern is more important.
What do I do?
Do your figure 8. Walk it one time, then trot it one time, then try cantering it. Good. Try to go nice and straight through the middle. Okay, so you're just going to canter on the loops and trot through the middle. If she trots, that's all right. Trot it one time, then try for the canter next time. And don't forget, you can drop your stick over and bunk her on the butt if you need more gas. Good. Come on, tempo. It's all right. Do it again. You're all right. That's okay. Go, 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 go. Go with it. Yes. Now you're going to trot. Then you're going to come out canter and go the other way. Canter, canter, canter. Yep, go. Canter. There you go. Same thing again. Trot through the middle. And come out cantering. Go, go, go. That's it. You just did it. Yes, you nailed it. Now come in the middle. Canter, stop. Right to the fence. Right to the fence. Yes. Stop. Nice. Give her a big rub. Yeah. So drop your reins again. Go back to real freestyle. Just do some more. Follow the rail and let her blow and lick and chew. That was good. You should have a big smile on your face. Yeah, you're right at 7 minutes, so you got time. Show off good. Did you do any? You did sideways at the gate. Yep, you're good. You did some nice squeezes over there. Now, see if you can stop her with just your energy. Yeah, and then your next string. Yes. Now I would do my stand-up and your friendly game and all your cool stuff. Good job. That was awesome. Way better than this morning. Are you sliding off the butt? Yeah. Okay. Good. Very good.